Hello world, and welcome back to Thoughts via RAM, where I'm not talking about your computer RAM per se, I'm talking about your human brain RAM. You know, the type of memory you don't need to think about too long to recall? No? Okay. Anyway, this is Micro, and I'd like to welcome you to my 100 subscriber special. Woo! I'm so grateful for each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for those who have supported me on my journey so far. For those who don't know me or are new to the channel, I'm an experienced software engineer, and I've been working in the field for a decent amount of time now. I didn't actually know what to do for my 100 subscriber special because I didn't actually think I'd get this far. To celebrate this milestone, I thought I'd create a new outfit, so you wouldn't need to look at the same penguin suit each and every time I release a video, just for a bit of variety. Nothing too fancy, just something that I actually own and would wear into the office. Hope you like it. Looking back at this channel's creation, I originally started it because I was working way too much overtime at the company I'd just started working at. The reason I did that was because I wanted to prove myself. But I soon discovered that it wasn't really helping me at all and just left me feeling very burnt out. And when you're burnt out, you don't tend to deliver your best work. As soon as I realised that, I tried searching for something else I could do to stop me from working overtime. And this is what I came up with. It grew from being a hobby to actually wanting to share my thoughts and experiences to help people be better at being a programmer. You see, as I gained more experience, I began to look after junior developers, and I started to find that the university wasn't really equipping them with what they really needed in order to be successful in the corporate world of programming. Because the corporate world isn't the same as doing LEET code in university. It's quite different, and there are only some things you can learn from working on the job. And so, I decided to share it with you guys as well. And I'm so glad people are finding these useful. Alright, I think I've waffled on long enough now. But if there's anything you'd like to see from me in the future, or if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thank you all once again for the 100 subscribers. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, this is Micro, logging out.